Dear students, we are going to discuss a subject, Strategic Human Resource Management for the 5th SEM BBA of Bangalore North University. We are going to discuss the concept human resource and business process reengineering. The recap of the previous class is creating team-based organization. The objective of this chapter is to provide an understanding of managing strategic organization. At last, the student should be able to understand about business process reengineering. Business process reengineering. Business process reengineering is a business management strategy originally pioneered in the early 1990s. It focuses on the analysis and design of workflows and business process within an organization. Business process reengineering aims to help the organizations fundamentally rethink how they do their work in order to improve the customer service, cut the operational cost, and become the world-class competitors. Students, many companies select a number of methodologies to improve the business process. In this respect, business process reengineering is one of the best methodology that help the organization to ensure continuity of their business so that they will remain relevant for a long time. Business process reengineering help the number of organizations to rethink about their existing practices, such as to introduce significant improvement in their business process. Thus, the organization that need change in their business process can adopt BPR as the most appropriate methodology that can help in bringing the intended improvement in their workplace. Change is the need to every organization to sustain the continuity of its services or business such as to remain relevant for the many years to come. Business process reengineering is a process that helps to solve a number of business problems. It serves as an important methodology to introduce changes in the large corporate organizations. It is surprising that business process reengineering involves rethinking of all business processes that are used to radically reduce the cost of making products or providing services. Michael Hammer and James Champy, the fathers of reengineering, redefined engineering as the fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of business process to achieve the dramatic improvements in critical contemporary measures of performance such as cost, quality, service, and speed. One of the business process reengineering basic assumption is that the traditional way of organizing departments and processes around very specialized tasks is inherently duplicate, wasteful, and unresponsive to the firm customers. In the re-engineering, a company and its department and processes, the re-engineers therefore need to ask themselves, why do we do and what we do? And why do we do it the way we do? Human resource and business process re-engineering consists of teamwork, management competence, information technology, effective communication, and organization structure. Management competence. Management competence is the core part of human resource management. It means upgrade the competencies of staff of human resource management department and by making the human resource team efficient. The further workforce will also be motivated and enhanced management competency plays a vital role in the effectiveness of business process reengineering. Business process reengineering will be successful after removing certain barriers from the organization. Otherwise, it will lead the organization towards the risky stage. Teamwork. Teamwork is effective for implementing business process reengineering successfully. It also comes under the dimensions of human resource management, that how much the organization is successful in making the teams and enabling them to work efficiently. As the workforce is dynamic and the global business has given the opportunity of laborers to work outside the boundaries, so building the teams will be effective for the organization where different individuals and team members pull different and innovative ideas. Team building technique is very much effective during bringing the radical changes, that is business process reengineering. Organization structure. Organization structure is also one of the important component of business process reengineering, which is responsible for almost all the activities done in the organization. It includes supervision, task allocation, workforce environment, rules and regulations, and in short, the overall culture of the organization. It depends on the structure of the organization that how much it is making the workforce competent. In making the business process successful, the variable plays a very significant role as the flow of information depends on the structure which leads towards communication between all the members of the organization. Similarly, hierarchy system is responsible. Effective communication. Effective communication is the key factor in the success of any organization, necessary for the dramatic and radical changes in the organization. Organization and top management is responsible for establishing such a culture where the environment is relaxed and everyone feel free to communicate. At the time of implementing change in the organization, whether it is total quality management or any other management tool, communication barriers should be eliminated. And especially in the business process reengineering, where the level of risk is high and processes are going to change totally, so employees and all level members have different queries, and by providing the clear path and giving the reliable and authentic information, the level of reluctance will be reduced. Information technology. As the use of information technology is essential for almost every organization, and the advancement of technology enables the organization to use many software and other programs which enables the organization to save their time as well as cost. And in the business process reengineering, the role of IT is very essential. It can be in the form of transforming the manual systems to the IT-based methods, or taking the use of IT and change the process. Business process also plays a very vital role in helping the organization to rethink the daily activities carried out in the ways to improve customer services, reduce operation cost, and become the first class competitors. Significance of BPR can also be identified by its emphasis on innovation and improvement. It involves the process of reducing the cost. It uses the information technology, which is important ingredient of business process reengineering. It helps to reduce cost and improve the quality. Students, here are the multiple choice questions. Among them, number one, in job redesigning concept, business process reengineering stands for answer that is B, business process reengineering. Second question, which of the following is not an external source of recruitment? The answer is D, that is transfer. Which of the following aspect is considered with working conditions and amenities such as canteens, creches, housing, transport, etc.? The answer is C, welfare aspect. The vertical expansion of job by increasing the amount of workers' responsibilities associated with the position is called, the answer is C, that is job enrichment. Dash test is designed to find out how efficiently and swiftly an applicant uses his hands, fingers, eyes, and other parts of the body. That the answer is D, dexteria test. And here are the references.